everyone, my name is Tuba Khan and I am from Greater Noida College of Law, interning at UP Advocate. So the topic of my discussion is legality of live-in relationship in India and the rights of women in India in live-in relationship. So first of all, we need to understand what is live-in relationship. So it is a kind of relationship where a man and woman go together and form a relationship where they stay together under one roof without getting married, and they stay like husband and wife though they are not husband and wife. They consent together, they mutually go together under one roof. So this kind of relationship is considered to be unethical in India, but with Supreme Court cases, we have got cases whereby the Supreme Court has held that these kind of relationship are considered to be legitimate. So what are these cases? Let us know. So Badri Prasad versus Deputy Director of Consolidation 1978, it was held in this case. A live-in relationship is between consenting adults will be considered legitimate if the essentials of a valid marriage are met. In another case, Lata Singh versus State of UP, this case was of 2006. The Supreme Court held that those such relationships are considered to be unethical, they can't be termed as illegitimate under the legislation. In another case, Indra Sharma versus V. Sharma SC has held that if both individuals are unmarried and cohabit mutually in live-in relationship, it doesn't constitute any offense. So we should know now that what sort of provisions are there under our law that protects the rights of women in live-in relationship. So in section 125 of CRPC it is expanded to include women in relationship to make sure her financial rights are protected. When a woman is in live-in relationship for a reasonable amount of time, she can be considered as wife to extend maintenance support. In Domestic Violence Act of 2005, this act also extends to women who are in live-in relationship. This act does not explicitly acknowledge live-in relationship. The provision live-in relationship in the nature of marriage. The term nature of marriage is said, and it allows interpretation so as to protect basic rights of women and from violence. In Indra Sharma versus VKV Sharma, the Supreme Court has laid down some guidelines based on which a live-in relationship can be given the status of marriage. And the guidelines are duration of relationship. Like it is said that the duration of live-in relationship should be there, a long relationship whereby they have stayed together for a period of time. And shared household, they have shared their household together, they have cohabited together whereby they are living like a domestic relationship. Pooling of resources and finances, domestic arrangement and sexual